Shenzhen WJM Silicone and Plastic Electronic Company Limited was established in 2011 and is located in Shenzhen, China, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 15,000 square meters and has 146 employees. We are a company specializing in the research, development, sales and service of POS Protective Cases, POS machine housings, silicone interior trim for new energy vehicles, protective cases for action cameras and other customized silicone and plastic products. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Our company has tape tester, multifunction friction tester, life guide tester, curve tester, quadratic element equipment to strictly control the product quality. We have obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, IATF 16949 certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as America and West Europe. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.